Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily change your Instagram icon on your Instagram app on your phone. So for doing this you just need to open your Instagram app and just sign into your account and open the settings. So after you open the settings, just swipe up. So you can also do it with 2 fingers. And here you can see app icon, celebrate with us. To celebrate our birthday this month, we are inviting you to change your app icon to your favorite below. So here you can see different icons you can also use. So for example, we will choose classic. You have changed the icon for Instagram. Okay. So now just go back and here you can see that we successfully changed our icon. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.